Imagine you are at a bank. You want to transfer $100 from your account to another account. The task is simple, but behind the scenes there's a lot happening to make sure that the transfer is safe, consistent, and reliable. That's where database transactions come into play. A transaction is a set of actions you want your database to complete. These actions are database-specific operations like reading, writing, or updating data that are executed as a single, indivisible unit. The concept of transactions is that either everything happens together or nothing happens at all. Transactions in relational databases are based upon ACID properties. Atomicity ensures that all parts of the transaction are completed. If they're not, the entire transaction has to be rolled back. Consistency means that the data within the database remains consistent and keeps being integral no matter what happens. Isolation ensures that transactions are isolated from one another until they complete. Durability means that once the results of a transaction are saved in your database via a commit operation, its changes are permanent regardless of what happens. Assume we have a simple transaction in the bank. We begin the transaction by subtracting the amount from one account. Then we add or credit another account with the amount we subtracted. Finally, we commit or finalize the transaction so that it is saved in our database. If we face any problems along the way, like insufficient funds, the transaction will be rolled back and no changes will be made. A rollback ensures your database remains consistent by not allowing partial transfers. Either the transfer happens in full or doesn't happen at all. Isolation is crucial when multiple transactions happen at once. A transaction will remain isolated to itself and not know about anything that it thinks concerning it until it's completed. Finally, durability guarantees that once a transaction is confirmed or committed by the database, it is permanent and changes stay in place even if your application or database crashes. So, transactions make database operations reliable by ensuring they are atomic, consistent, isolated, and durable. This foundation is what keeps our data safe, consistent, and trustworthy no matter what. Thank you for watching. Now, dive deeper into database concepts and keep your data safe.